This is an update on my Workswell carbon Chinese hardtail mountain bike. I've ridden it now for 4,000 miles, 6,000 plus kilometers, and recently installed a Lauf fork. A Lauf fork is a carbon fork from an Icelandic company. It's fully carbon except for the leaf springs. The leaf springs are made from glass fiber. It's got a through axle and it's able to fit a 1600 millimeter disc, probably larger. I'm fascinated by this fork because of its ugliness, like a Citroën Mehari, but its key benefit is that it's extremely light. It comes in at 1,077 grams, whereas the old fork, the Riba RockShox I took off, weighed at 1,736 grams, and this includes the crown race and the expander. You have to use a different expander. Normally it's a crown nut, but for a carbon fork you need an expander, otherwise you will crack the carbon. This is the end result. I've ridden it now for a couple of rides. It's extremely compliant on small bumps, but on big bumps it doesn't keep up with a conventional fork. So you have to choose your lines carefully when riding on single tracks. Otherwise your front wheel might take a step sideways in a corner. But it's a thrilling ride and it makes the bike even more light and agile. So I definitely don't regret it and will make a lot of more rides on this bike in this form. Other than that, the bike hasn't given any problems.